In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer logos on Google Sites fast and easy, perfect for beginners. If you've been wanting to display your customers' logos on your site, you're in the right place. This tutorial is not only going to walk you through each step, but provide insight into making those logos look their best. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. You can simply do this by typing Google Sites into your preferred search engine and clicking on the first result that pops up. This will bring you to the main Google Sites page, where you'll see an overview of all your sites if you've made any previously. From there, you'll need to pick the specific site where you want to display these logos. Click on the site, and you'll be taken to the editing interface. You should see a wide range of editing options on your right side, which will be your tools for customizing your site. Next, direct your attention to the right menu and click on the Insert option. It's typically located towards the top, and this is where you will find a variety of components that you can add to your website. Now we're going to focus on utilizing layouts that work best for showcasing multiple images at once. Look for Layouts, and then select a grid layout. This setup works exceptionally well for displaying customer logos since it allows multiple images to be shown in an organized and visually pleasing manner. Once you've inserted the grid, you'll see several image blocks where logos can be uploaded. Moving forward, click on each image box. It's time to upload those customer logos. Here's a little tip. PNG files with transparent backgrounds tend to look the best on websites. They integrate seamlessly with your site's design and help logos remain crisp and professional. Now that you have your logos neatly placed on your site, it's important to make any final adjustments that might be necessary. Ensure the alignment and size of your logos are consistent, which helps in maintaining a clean aesthetic. When you're happy with how everything looks, there's one final step: publishing. To publish your site, you'll need to click the Publish button. This option is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button makes your changes live and accessible for anyone visiting your site to see. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial if you want your modifications to be visible online. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add customer logos to your Google site. By following these steps, you ensure your brand's partnerships are proudly displayed, showing the world who you work with. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more site building tips and tricks.